Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone internet not working after an iOS update, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data issues. Let's get started. First, turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it back off. Now check if your internet starts working again. If not, open the Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. Disconnect from your current network and reconnect by entering the password again. For mobile data issues, go to Settings/Cellular and make sure cellular data is turned on. The next fix is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and restart the device to clear temporary network glitches. After that, go to Settings, then tap on General and tap on Software Update and check if a newer iOS update is available. Apple often releases bug fix updates after major iOS updates. If the problem continues, go to Settings, then tap on General and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings, but won't delete your photos or apps. And that's it. Your iPhone's internet connection should now be working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes, Wi-Fi troubleshooting, and iOS tutorials.